age, your body is just not as resilient as it once was. Let's talk about some of the ways you can avoid pain so you don't have to miss out on the activities that you love. Warming up your muscles before an activity or chore is key to injury prevention. Stretching exercises can also help increase your flexibility. Try to exercise at least 3 days a week. Eating more fruits and vegetables allows your body to repair itself better by building healthy new tissues. Drink water more frequently to keep your body properly hydrated. Avoid consuming too much sugar, which can cause inflammation in your body. You also want to avoid medications that mask pain. Consider a scientifically formulated topical medicine like Boiron Arnicare gel. Its active ingredient is arnica. The unscented and non-greasy gel is quickly absorbed by the skin and helps relieve muscle pain, stiffness, and even bruising. If you eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and take proper care of your injury, you can feel younger and experience less pain in your later years. I'm Ken Redcross with your Dr. Redcross to the Rescue Health Minute.